x to the power of 3 equals x to the power of 5. So what we're first going to do is we're going to subtract x to the power of 3 on both sides. So for this side, x to the power of 3 minus x to the power of 3, well, these two just cancel out, so we get 0 equals x to the power of 5 minus x to the power of 3. So now what we're going to do is we're actually going to factor out x to the power of 3 from this because that is the greatest common factor of these two terms. So we have 0 equals x to the power of 3 times, well, what's x to the power of 3 x to the power of 5 divided by x to the power of 3? Well, an important property of exponents is that you have a to the power of m over a to the power of n. This is equal to a to the power of m minus n. So x to the power of 5 divided by x to the power of 3, this is equal to x to the power of 5 minus 3, and 5 minus 3 is 2, so this is equal to x squared, or x to the power of 2. So we have x to the power of 3 times x squared minus x to the power of 3 divided by x to the power of 3 is simply 1 because anything divided by itself is 1. So now we have two equations actually from this. We have x to the power of 3 equals 0 and x squared minus 1 equals 0. Well, x to the power of 3 equals 0. What to the power of 3 equals 0? The only number that fits in for x here is 0. So we have x equals 0. And this is one solution. Now we have x squared minus 1 equals 0. So if we add 1 on both sides, we get x squared equals 1. Now if we take the square root on both sides, because we just want x, these two cancel out, so we get x equals positive or negative 1. So this would also be our answer. So now our three solutions are x equals 0, 1, and negative 1. So these three are our solutions.